as you can tell by the packaging, I have another Nike order. This one took a few days to arrive, but it's here. I don't know why they're taking so long again. This is actually a football one, so whoever liked my football video before, football shirts, you might like this. This is one of the new stuff. I actually haven't seen this this tracksuit, this kit. I haven't been to stores for ages. Everything I've been buying recently has been online. So let's just get down to it. The best part. Oh, it's got the... Yes. As you can tell, or you can probably tell by the title when I put this up, Atletico Madrid training gear. Let's just rip open the bag. And that's the top, which actually looks 10 times better in person. I actually like this a lot. I don't know why they didn't do this for any other teams, but no other team has a tracksuit like this. And then we have the joggers, obviously to match. And someone watching might think, what do you mean? This is like a fleece material. So as you can see inside, it's a fleece. It's not like a normal football tracksuit. There, it's completely different. So it looks 10 times better in person, I must say. I really like the way the colors are, the way they go, the way they made this logo all red and blue, just to go with the whole fit. I don't know which trainers I'm gonna wear with this yet. Maybe a pair of just white Air Forces, but I'm actually very happy with this tracksuit. I bought my normal size. I haven't tried it on, of course, because I just unboxed it in front of you. And once I try it on, I'll write it in the description to see how it fits. It does say the fits. It says slim fit here, so it's probably a slim fit on the legs. And this says standard fit on the top. So I normally go for a large top and extra large bottoms, and this looks like it will fit, and hopefully it does. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and that's it. Take care.